Good evening, friends. Today I am coming up with very different topic which will help salespeople and marketing people together to create an impact with different type of automations. And I am going to show you how marketing automation module can be reused. Normally we use marketing campaign for our mass emailing based on contact list or a kind of activity on CRM list. But today I'm going to show you a different use cases how other people can use marketing automation. And I have created three different cases. One is quotation reminder campaign, where I have filtered out some records based on creation date which is older than 16th September. And then status is quotation sent, where I have found two records and I want to run an activity or an email or an SMS like a reminder to sign off this particular quotation. And then if customer doesn't open that record, then I can plan a second email for a second gentle reminder. And I can still create many different activity, like if I want to send a reminder SMS after this reminder email too, I can do that also, and it will trigger an SMS based on our activity. So that is how you can plan your activity based on sales order status. Okay, now the second use case I would like to show you is payment reminder, where I have precisely choose the invoice status which is posted and created on which is last month, and then due date is also last month, and then status is not paid and payment status is either partially paid. I want to send some gentle reminders to customer for making their due clear. So I have created payment reminder mail setup 1, and then if somebody is not opening, then I have created mail 2 after 1 day of first activity. You can also create SMS activity over here. Okay, and then I have created third is sales delivery schedule, where the people like salespeople can ask for some feedback on their sales process, where sales order delivery status is not delivered and delivery date is planned between this week, and I want to launch a campaign kind of thing to ask for customer feedback. And you can design a customer feedback mailer with your HTML team and send a customer and ask for their feedback with some click or some different thing. So I have found the records of customer based on this week delivery. So this is how you can plan different type of activity using marketing automation mail based on Odoo ready object. Hope this small trick will help many people to reuse marketing automation in such a way which can beautifully turn into retention of customer, as well as engaging customer in different way based on their activity and business with us. Thank you very much.